Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best espresso grinders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many espresso grinders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each espresso grinders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an espresso grinder. The first thing to look at is the burr type, as burr grinders provide more consistent grounds than blade grinders, which is essential for balanced espresso flavor. Next, consider grind settings. Having multiple options allows precise adjustment for different espresso machines and taste preferences. The grinder's build quality matters too, since durable materials ensure long-lasting performance and stability while grinding. Another factor is the grind size consistency, which directly affects extraction and crema quality. Noise level and ease of cleaning are also important for daily use and maintenance convenience. Finally, think about your budget and how often you'll use the grinder, as investing in good quality can improve your espresso experience significantly. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coffee tips.